In front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on this section, Code Security and Privacy. Then tap on Device Unlocking and hit Face section available here. Before we begin though, quick disclaimer: if you don't have screen lock, you won't be able to add face data, so make sure you have it. Tap on Face and enter it. Now hit Enroll now at the bottom right corner. Keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions from the screen and wait for 100% mark. When you finished, hit OK at the bottom right corner. Then make sure this switcher next to unlock is blue, because without it you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!